What was the day on 15th August 1947? I will split it as 1600 years plus here 1947th year is not a complete year because it is only up to 15th August. So I will split it as 346 years plus remaining is 1st January to 15th August. So in January there are 31 days, February there are 28 days because 1947 is a normal year, not a leap year. Now March there are 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31 and August up to 15. Now total days are 30 into 7 is equal to 210. This one and this one goes here, remaining 1 plus 1 plus 15, that is 70. That is 210 plus 17 is 227 days. So 1600 years plus 346 years plus 227 days. Now find the odd days in these three. Here in 1600 years there is 0 odd day. In 346 years we need to find out the odd day in this. Now in 227 days, here this is days, these are years. So to find odd days in 227 days, just divide it with 7. Then the remainder will give you the number of odd days. 7 goes 3 times in 22, remaining 1. 7 goes 2 times in 17, remaining 3. So number of odd days in 227 days is 3. Now to find odd days in 346 years, I will split it as 300 years plus 46 years. In 300 years, there is only one odd day. I will explain that. That is, to find odd days in 300 years, first you need to find out leap years and non-leap years in 300 years. To find leap year, just divide 300 with 4. It will give you 75. But here 100, 200, 300 are century years. For a century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 400. Here 400 is a leap year, but 100, 200, 300 are not divisible by 400. So these three are not leap year. So subtract these three from 75, which will give you 72. That is, in 300 years there are 72 leap year and remaining 300 minus 72 is 228 non-leap years. Now in a leap year there are 2 odd days and in a non-leap year there is only one odd day. So 72 into 2 is 144. That is, there are 144 odd days in 72 leap years. And 228 into 1 is 228. Now if you add these together, this will give you 372. That is, 372 by 7 will give you remainder 1. That is, in 300 years there is only one odd day. So always remember this concept, that is, in 1600 years there is 0 odd day. In 400 years there is 0 odd day. In 300 years there is 1 odd day. And in 100 years there is 5 odd day. Now in 46 years, 46 by 4 will give you 11. That is 11 leap years and remaining 35 non-leap year. So 11 into 2 plus 35 into 1, which is equal to 35 plus 22 is 57. So if you divide 57 with 7, it will give you remainder 1, which means in 346 years there are 2 odd days. There are 2 odd days. 1 plus 1, 2 odd days. Now here total number of odd days are 3 plus 2, 5 odd days. And here first day is not mentioned. Whenever first day is not mentioned, you can take Sunday as 0. Then Sunday plus 5 will give you Friday. Which means 15th August 1947 is Friday. Because here first day is not mentioned. So you take Sunday as 0. Then Sunday plus 5 will give you Friday. Option A is your answer. If first day is given, then you have to subtract last day minus first day, then take the difference, then find the answer. Now, the question is, what was the day of the week on 15th August 2013? Find it using the same method.